Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Kelvin, and welcome to the Jurong Bird Park and to our Pools Amphitheater for High Flyers. Now this morning, let us take you on a flight and journey into the wonderful and colorful world of birds. We hope that you'll leave this place feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to take action for all our feathered friends all across the world. Speaking about feathered friends, I believe all of you have seen some chickens running around on stage, am I right?
Yes.
Very good. Now those are our bantam chickens. In fact, we have one more joining us right now. So ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes up at that hut and let's welcome Chucky, our bantam rooster. Oh, here he comes. Perfect landing there by Chucky. How about a big hand for him? Now many of you think that chickens, they cannot fly, but Chucky here has proven otherwise, right? Very good, Chucky. Make his way back home. Now right now we're going to have more birds coming out, so we're going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. Now in the wild, macaws will congregate on palm trees to feed on palm nuts and fruits. Now if you look right over there, we have actually attached some fruit and nuts on that tree. So without any further delay, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the birds. Flying down from up there, we have Gaia, our hyacinth macaw. Here she comes, followed by her very good friend, that's Ferrari, a scarlet macaw. Wow, beautiful birds, aren't they? Now these birds, they can be found in the rainforests of South America. Speaking about Gaia, our blue macaw, she's one of the 4 species of blue macaws found in the world. Right here in the Jurong Bird Park, we have 3 out of the 4. So if you'd like to have a closer look at these beautiful birds, you can actually head down to Parrot Paradise right after the show. Now, once after feasting, these birds will then fly up to rocky surfaces just like this one to lick up on clay and chalk. Now this will actually help with the digestion of any unripe fruits or nuts that they have eaten. Well, it looks like our friends are still enjoying their well-deserved reward right up there, but not to worry, because this will definitely be their final stop. Oh, hello!
Hi, Kelvin.
Who do we have there?
Everyone, this is Ippy. He's our new Go Green for Wildlife ambassador. Now, in fact, he's so environmentally conscious that he only uses reusable utensils. Now, imagine if you were a drink seller.
Drink salad?
Yeah, for you, for the hot weather.
Okay.
And if you were to give him a disposable plastic cup, he will return it back to you.
Plastic cup, you mean like this one?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, let's see. Let's see if Ippy will give it back to Kelvin, okay? The plastic cup is over there, Ippy.
Whoa! He gives me back the plastic cup.
Okay, but if you want to give him a reusable cup with a plastic straw, he will give you back the straw.
Ah, reusable cup with a plastic straw. I have one right here. Is it this one?
That's right, just like that. Okay, drink sellers have everything, yeah? All right, let's see if Ippy will return him the plastic straw.
Oh, look at that. Wow, he returns me the straw. Very good, Ippy. Well done. Are you going to give him it back or are you going to take it back? Or he's returning it?
Okay, but that's not all, everyone. Right now, Ippy is going to drink from the reusable cup.
Wow, he drinks straight from the cup. A big hand for Ippy, ladies and gentlemen.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, did you know that plastic has invaded the waters, that by 2050 there will be more plastic than fishes? And every year, okay, plastics kills 1 million wildlife and fishes. So that's why they are known as the deadliest monsters of the waters.
Oh wow, that is really an alarming rate. So we must all do our part in fighting these deadliest monsters. And just like Ippy, we should refuse the use of straws. And also bring our own containers and cups when we buy takeaway food or drinks. Now, also, not to forget to avoid using single-use plastic bags and bring our own reusable bags when we go shopping.
All right. Okay, let's do some shopping. Now,
Okay,
can I have the hat
time
back?
to return you the Then you hear what I just said earlier. No using of single-use plastic bag, but using reusable bag instead. Okay, here you go. Put the plastic inside.
Hey.
And the hat goes in here. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big hand for Evie and Elaine? Oh, Elaine, so sorry, you forgot something.
Oh, okay. Let's reuse this bag. Bye-bye.
Now I'm gonna need the help of 2 volunteers right now. 2 volunteers, someone who is not afraid of birds. We're gonna have 2 beautiful birds flying out. They will be flying very low above your heads and to land on a lucky volunteer this time, okay? You can call for Azar right over there, and right in the center we got City. So call for the trainers. First volunteer is in position. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on that hut. Oh, I see the first one already. Okay, we have 2 of them this morning. There they are, flying beautifully. Low above your heads now, ladies and gentlemen, these are Toto toucans. Toto toucans, they can be found in the rainforests of South America, and they are the largest, extremely agile in flight. Now to actually demonstrate how agile they are, Azhar is going to make his way to the center volunteer, and he will be tossing up 2 fruits, 1 for each bird. And we're going to see how they are able to catch the fruits. 1, 2, and amigos! Whoa! Another perfect catch. Good to show you. Oh, this is Durga. Durga has kindly brought out an Amazon parrot. To be precise, that is a yellow-named Amazon. And as their name suggests, these birds, they come from the rainforests of the Amazon. First and foremost, would you like to say hello?
Hello.
Oh, you hear that? Now, this is Amigo. Amigo, would you like to tell everyone your name?
Amigo.
Very good. Now, Amigo here is a very smart bird. You know, he can actually count and sing, but we shall hold that to a little bit later. In the meantime, Amigo, how would you like to welcome these nice people?
Amigo.
No. How would you like to welcome these nice people? He wants to know how are you feeling today. So how are you? Very good. Now Amigo is going to demonstrate his skills right now, mimicking skills. Amigo, first let's count from 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
A perfect 10 there by Amigo. Very good. He's going to do more counting this time. Amigo, this time let's count in Chinese.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Another perfect 10 by Amigo. Well done. 1 to 10 in Mandarin. For those, Amigo here is going to sing 3 different songs right now in 3 different languages. Now the first song is a song called 客人来. It's a children's song, meaning a guest comes to visit. Amigo, are you ready? Let's sing a song in Mandarin. 客人来 word for word. Very good, Amigo. Well done. Amigo, second song right now is a song originated from Indonesia. It's called Rasa Sayang, meaning the feelings of love. It's an Indonesian love song. Are you ready, Amigo? Let's sing Rasa Sayang. Okay, now the last and final song is an English song. Amigo is going to sing this song specially dedicated to all of you celebrating your birthday today. Ready, Amigo? Let's sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to all of you celebrating his or her birthday right here in the Jurong Bird Park here today. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Very good. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Amigo, our yellow name Amazon, and Big John, our Southpark crested cockatoo. Bye-bye, guys. So, keep your eyes over there, and let's welcome Vicky, our great pied hornbill. Oh, yes, she is. Now, great pied hornbills like Vicky here are one of the largest flying hornbills in this region. And in the wild, when the female hornbills wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. Now, if you look right over there, we have a nest box placed over at that hut. Okay, the similar nest box that we give to all our hornbills right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Now, I'm gonna make my way up this stairs over here. People around me, please no sudden movements. If you like to take photos, you may, but remember to turn off your camera flashes, okay? Flashes may look like lightning to the bird. You may startle them. Okay, now, Vicky is going to check out that nest box over there, so she's going to fly very low above your heads, so don't raise your hands up when the bird's flying, okay? Vicky, nest box over there, and there she goes. Okay. Now, once there, she's going to take a look at her surroundings to make sure she's checking it out. And if she likes it, she will hop right in. Go down from right up there. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Sunny, another great pied hornbill, Jurong Bird Park Animals icon. Now, Vicky, are you still there? Yes, she is. Look at that. Here comes Sunny. Whoa. Now, the male hornbills only have one job to do. That is to feed the female inside the nest box. Now, this will go on for about 3 to 4 months. Now, right here in the bird park, we have been successful in breeding Oriental pied hornbills. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Sunny, our great pied hornbill.
Thank you very much, Calvin. See you later. Well, now comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flights. If you want to volunteer, remain in your seats. We're going to have trainers coming to the respective sections. Kaya, our blue and yellow macaw, will fly first. Up she goes. Beautiful flight by Kaya and Vega, everyone. Wow. That was nicely done. Thank you very much, Lynn and Kaya. Oh, Kaya wants to go one more round. Fly back home to Lynn now. And a landing. Thank you, Lynn. See you later. Now, Vega has one final flight to make before I can send him back home. Duga, we're missing the hoops, Not hoops, that's the reusable shopping bag. What do you have in there? Okay, let's take a look. Oh, really small hook to challenge Vega. In the wild, they do maneuver through very tight spaces when escaping from potential dangers and predators. Having said that, that's a really small hook. Let's see if Vega will be able to fly through that hook for us this morning. Some final instructions. Okay, looks like the coast is clear. Vega, focus. The gentleman with the camera in straps. Ukaranga. Focus. A loud and round of applause. Vega, Scarlet Macaw. And home is back to Lynn. Thank you. Has a hollow tree trunk, and each parrot has bring home 4 fruits each. Okay, trainers, let's get ready. On your marks, get set, go! The winner is let's get started. Birds from Africa, our great white pelicans. All the way from Eastern Europe, let's welcome our Dalmatian pelicans. Here they go. Back to Africa, the bunch with their long, sexy legs. Here comes our greater flamingos. Last but not least, let's color the skies with our beautiful fly past of macaws. Look up there and there. Shall we give them a big hand? And then we've come to the end of the show. You're more than welcome to come forward and take pictures of these lovely birds as we are ushering them back home. Now, we're going to have a photography session with our other group of flamingos after that is done. So if you're interested, do stay on for more details. Now, if you want to bring home some souvenirs, we have plush toys. Right, my friend up there is selling them at a special price, only available right here at the Pools Amphitheatre. On behalf of our sponsors, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, continue to have a wonderful day in the park. But before you leave, everyone, remember to look around you and take all your belongings with you. Thank you and goodbye.